Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I've got a surprise. Yeah, this was truly a shock to me when I came downstairs Saturday afternoon to find 6 Amazon packages with my name on them. And while I do shop a lot at Amazon, I was not expecting anything, but I did get some stuff. So, let's take a look and see what a very good friend of the channel, DartFrogNZ, has sent to me and what you can look forward to coming up on the channel. Okay, this is all from my wish list on Amazon, by the way. I have updated it because I had to delete a lot of stuff from it, as you can imagine. And yeah, so this is one way you can support the channel if you would like. I also have a coffee account. But anyway, DartFrog sent this set of coffee bean molds over with the note, "I've been very curious why these are on your list." They're on my list because if you've been on my channel for a while now, I had ordered some coffee beans, resin coffee beans from Cat Scrappiness, and they came in, and you only get like a little bit in the package. And so I decided that I wanted to try to make some myself. So that's what these are here for. I mean, you know. Anyway, they're going to be a lot of fun to play with, I'm sure. Okay, up next is this gigantic butterfly mold. And when I say gigantic, let's just say when I added this to my list, I did not know exactly how big this thing would be. You know, there's a lot of molds on Amazon that say, you know, it's a wall decor piece. This is a true wall decor piece. This would actually look good on a wall and not like tiny and people would say, why is it there? Anyway, this one, which is so beautiful, came with this note. "I've seen this done well and I've seen it done terribly. Can't wait to see your take on it." Please do not hold me to very high standards. You know me, I'm an idiot. So if there's a way to screw this up, I probably will. But I'm so excited to play with this. Thank you so much. Okay. Up next, we have the Intense Chameleon Powder from Resin. I've seen so many resin artists use this stuff, and I've always wanted to try it myself. They say that it is so much better than regular chameleon powder. The bottles are absolutely gorgeous, by the way. That's so funny. It says dark green on there as the label, but it's looking very purple to me. Anyway, so it does come with the 5 colors and a little jumpy brush. And this came with the note that says shiny, which just reminds me of Firefly. It's all shiny, Captain. Nothing to worry about. Anyway, I can't wait to play with these. Okay, so the next set is, I believe that they are earring molds. So like you would use these to make little earrings, but there's all different kinds in here. So we've got, looks like a Christmas set with a little hat, mittens, and boots. This one, oh, squirrel, dolphin, and a whale. Very cute. Some wings and butterflies. Let's see, another Christmas set. So this one has a snowman, a Christmas tree, and a snowflake. Some more Christmas stuff. I think there's a cat and a bunny and a reindeer and a frog and an owl and a snowflake. I think that's supposed to be an owl. We'll see when I pour it. Let's see. some flowers and bows, 4-leaf clover heart and a star. These are very, very cute. They're so tiny. I bet they would be perfect with UV resin too. So we got an apple, I guess a cone of some sort, and little butterflies. Or is that a flower? That might be a flower. Stars and moons, love it. And then last but not least, the crown and the shirt. And this says, my favorite kind of excess resin molds, bonus unmolding time. Yes. For those that don't know or don't read the comments, DartFrog is a huge fan of my bonus unmolding times. So there will be quite a lot of bonus unmolding times coming up. So stay tuned for that. Okay. So up next is a Domino Box. This is different than the other Domino Box that I have. It's got, I'm hoping you can see, it's got little designs on the sides, so that should be kind of fun. Or the top and bottom, maybe? I don't know. Very, very cute box. It looks like it's going to be actually really solid. And then the note with this says, this looks cute. Hope it's easy to put together. Girl, me too. Please be easy to put together, because I don't know if I can handle another wind chime catastrophe. Okay, up next, the note for these are, hope these don't arrive squashed. 7 pieces of pumpkin. I love the puns. They're very, very cute. So these are really cool. They are pumpkin candle molds. The problem is that they are already used. Do I care? Not at all. These will be so easy to clean out. And to be honest with you, whoever used these before returning them left them smelling so freaking good. I can't wait to see if that scent infuses with the resin. Is that kind of weird? I don't know. Can resin smell good? I guess we'll find out. I don't know. But I'm excited to give this a try. So I came with 2 pumpkins and then these littler pieces as well in there. And oh my god, it smells so good. Okay. So we have some more smaller molds, and I'm really excited about them because they are Halloween themed. I don't want to unwrap this because of all the crinkling, but look at that witch. Oh, it's so cool, and I love the cauldron and the little toad. Yeah, I'm so excited about this one. I really am. And this note says, these should be spooktacular. I agree. I cannot wait to play with this stuff. Believe you me, it's going to be so much fun. Okay. The next 2, it's still going, y'all. I'm very overwhelmed, but very, very grateful. Both are shiny. So we have some ultra-fine glitter powder from Saya. I think that's the name of the company. I was trying to see. It just says holographic, but it is black holographic glitter. I'm pretty sure it's from the same company as the blue glitter, but it's very, very, very pretty. I cannot wait to play with this. And then we also got some PVC adhesive vinyl that is this gorgeous color. Does it say the color on it? Don't think it does. It is a heat transfer vinyl. I've never used heat transfer, so I don't, could you do that on resin? I'm not sure. Like I said, I've added a lot of stuff to my to my wish list over the years, so I'm very excited to give this a try and see how it looks in resin, though. Okay, I looked out how to pronounce this. Please feel free to roast me in the comments if I get this wrong. Meri Kihirimeti. Kirihimeti. Which I think is Merry Christmas in Maori, maybe? I don't know. It's beautiful, though. It reminds me of Mele Kalikimaka, which is Hawaiian for Merry Christmas. But all of these came with this. Remember to update your wish list. Most haven't been available in years. I keep checking. I have updated it now. But I'm very overwhelmed at the moment. So let's go through these. These last ones from DartFrog. And then I have one more that was a Christmas gift from my housemate's daughter. Okay, so first up we have a little pot and lid mold set. Typical one that you guys have probably seen a million times. This is really cool. This is a candle holder mold, but it is, it's a candle mold, not a candle holder mold. It's a candle mold of stacked skulls. You're not going to be able to see it right here, so maybe I will pop a picture in right there. This set is really cute. This is a bunch of little Christmas molds. I had already taken these out of the package to look at them because I was just enthralled. So we got some beautiful snowflakes and some little Christmas icons. These are cute. These are like for earrings. I do have some earring backs on order as well. Some more little icons. I love the birds. And then some larger ones that are ornaments. I believe they're meant to be ornaments at least. But yeah, so we have that set. Let me move all of this stuff down. We got the cute little cat heads. The funny little different cat heads. I mostly added these to my list for my housemate Laura because we do have 3 cats. Pardon me. Dinner decided it wanted to say hello as well. We do have 3 cats, but she just loves all cat iconography. So those have been on my wish list for forever. This is really cool. I didn't even realize that I had added this to my list, but it's a little set, and so it comes with a mermaid tail, this adorable little frog, which I want to make into a Harry Potter chocolate frog. I'm not going to lie. There's also a little gecko here. Cute little gecko guy. And then a little snail as well. I think it's so cute. He's going to look adorable next to my big snail, I think. I can't wait to play with that little guy. This one is really cool. It's also very huge. So just the same as the butterfly wings or the butterfly. This is a true on your wall piece. It is a large moon dragon. So you can see the dragon's head here and the tail, and it is on a moon. I am so excited. This is probably going to be the first thing that I use the intense chameleon powders for, because I'm so excited to try this thing out. We have this beautiful angel mold set. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. And I think that when I do this, I'm probably going to want to do it in clear and then put the sides together to make like a 3D angel. I think that would look really, really pretty. But I do have some ideas for this. So I'm really excited for that. That's also been on my list for forever. And then this is... Oh, this was the Christmas, yes. Okay, this was the Christmas set, but it also came with this really cool mixer set, which is really awesome. I have a mixer that is really terrible, and I've used it once, and I hated it. So I never used it again, but this one is like really, really good quality. So I'm excited to give this one a try and see, you know, how much better it does than that cheap stuff that I already had ordered. And then the last thing from DartFrog, I know, trust me, it was a lot, is this set of nail polish, gel polish. So these are kind of cool. I think that I had added these when I first started playing with resin because I wanted to see if you could use the gel polish in resin, whether to color it or to add a top coat or even as its own little thing in a mold. So this is going to be an experiment that I want to try because gel polishes are relatively inexpensive. You can get those even at Dollar Tree as well. So yeah, that's why that was on the list, in case you were wondering. Okay. And the last thing that I have to share with you is the mold set that my housemate's daughter got me for Christmas. She asked me, she's 14? Yes, she's 14. She asked me what I wanted for Christmas, and I told her, if you find a mold set on Amazon that you like and you want me to make for you, buy that. And then that way, I get the free content and you get... you get whatever it is you wanted made. So we have all of these. I guess that they're meant to be keychains. I'm not really sure. Does it say? Yeah, keychains. Dragon keychain silicone molds. So it's all these different dragon pictures. This is the one that she wants. She wants it like yin and yang. And so it comes with 9 different dragon images, or I guess dragon style images. Let me move those down so you can see. But they're very, very cool, so I cannot wait to play with these and make her a bunch of keychains for her and all of her little friends. But yeah, I'm excited. Anyways, all of that is to say thank you so much to DartFrogNZ for supporting me and the channel like you do. It means the world to me. It's honestly kind of overwhelming because I never thought that somebody in the world would do this for me, let alone somebody across the complete opposite side of the world, which I'm kind of jealous because I've always wanted to visit New Zealand. But yeah, thank you so much. It really is such a tremendous gift that you have given to me. And it's also a gift for all of you guys who watch me, because you'll get a whole lot of videos coming up in 2024. And hopefully I won't mess all of them up. I'm not promising anything because I am quite stupid. But I am promising to at least give all of these a good, healthy try. And that is all we can ask for in this world, right? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, I guess, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel. It feeds the algorithm gremlins and gets it out to other awesome resin artists and awesome people like yourself. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Even just the simple like is more than I could ever ask for. So thank you. And I hope that you guys have a very fantastic day. Have a great holiday. And I will see you guys next week. Yes, I will still be posting during Christmas week. So stay tuned for that. Take care, guys.